Kahima Nayak Deputy Commissioner DC Southwest Garo Hills kelaple patba haka khatsau tarik kelalengkot ya ka shlem pentibet trekam Community Managed Training Center CMTC nagbenta ki pat nong kendong hasnong goldalgre kabadon habeta sing CNR di blog yakani ka shlem an penyat but an ped in kmi da ka Federation Women SHG Multipurpose Cooperative Society kabadon hakani ka CNR di blog kajingthu bakongsan kani ka shlem hikai but pentibet ekipat nong kendong ki bakan thop ekinong rap kinong shna tiar shna tar kinong shed eki marba mardi hayau hahan bat hakidukan de jing bam bat bon ki wepat ki jing hikai pentibet ki ba ki pat ba kani kathan ki don kam kani ka shlem pentibet rekam kadon ki jakasa anak benta live hungut ki trainees kinong hikai ki kamera school ka kamera bam bat ki we ki kamera ban penlong training program Kidon hendriungut kinong tray kibakan top ya u project director kiban pej ya kikam kijam baro. Kani ka shlem pentibet trekam kalong kabaning kong ban mi perthei hamegalia. Ki officer rang ba na kani ka district bat kipat ba shinrang bat kentei kilapan pau ka jingkemen ka bakrau ya ka jingmi perthei jong kani ka shlem hikai ha kani kasni.
She was mentioning earlier we were sending our SHG members to Tura just to attend some training programs if it is residential. So it is so difficult. One is time, other is energy, and other thing is resources. If the same resources, if we put into some local investment to do something, then that would be income generating. But other than that, what we have done, we have invested that money and time and energy in just traveling to a different place where for the local SHG members, it is so difficult to leave their children, who are small children, school-going children behind, and to go to a different district to meet the officials there in a new environment. It would have been very difficult. So this training center that we are having today, this is, I mean, in the beginning, it is it itself is a success because you will be coming here, you know our DPM, you know our BPM, you know us, you know our video. So it's easy to communicate with each other. That is the first thing. Secondly, we are having a lot of small scale industries. There is one in Hathisil, you all must be aware. Hathisil Weaving Center, have you visited anybody, any SHG member here present visited Hathisil? I have seen, yes. So it's a tailoring plus weaving and design center. So वहाँ पे they design the clothes. So the ones what you are wearing, be it Rasmada or be it Koch traditional dress or Hajong traditional dress, different types of dresses. So they are designing as per today's fashion, today's time. So they design it and then they weave it, then they market it. This is one center that we are having. But the difficulty of that center is they are not getting the members who are already trained. So a lot of effort goes into training itself. And in their center, they have this one tailoring
block, BMM, all the officials from the district and the block. Actually, Godalgrini, Mandir Nakrabba, Godalgrini Nukma, are in the purpose country. Ang isang group member of CLF Nido to Parang. Yan, nasimang na kasi nasimang kumuk na. Yan, sa alisal, may kang kapsat ko ba? Para sa big pasal masin nasimang na talataha. But at the very beginning, I would like to take on record my sincere thank you to our DC for always taking initiative and always making effort and also focusing on areas which our district needs, that is women and empowerment, education, etc. So I think this is the right way for us to be going forward in the district. And also, I would also like to take this opportunity to mention that I think our district is performing well in most parameters, especially under MSRLS. So I think but of course there are lots of areas where we need to make an effort and we need to work harder. Tal nasimang na tasin CMCM tal program ni mukswani ko nasimang nakanatjok ang akanap-tap na nang nagtawa. Andi biyan ang ni nasimang na kanas kanidiya jen saluya na sungi CMTC ko na mana community dia actually training center amo managed training center engage mo on man asmo ya nam be actual ndo ya actually CLT do parang niya building ko namma muksungani aru muksung mate ta sagang kita actually self recruiting parang na it's a training for skilling or for leadership for providing leadership or for knowledge transfer yani muksungani na maya ya biak pun ating dakala ating siapa gurpang na ba tentang training ko na tama gino aru ating baka sumerong ating district ko nama biak ba chunga biak rang dongjani aselo training engage ko magdaka reluran na nga basok ba de baskol biak apthang ke tarang na simana training na ka nga betul dia training center dong ham engage mo na simana subida nge syuk nge na simang training ang pura na tama gen aru sumerong ko nambate jakalang na tama na simang na gen aru na simang ino dongsak na engage mo ode mena kan training ko de salwang mang training ko de matsuda te de baskol de singja baskol in house training aga na gen sal na simang ino 동착된 나송 트레이닝 고 살근이 사그타 먹겠지만 나시망나지 리소스 퍼슨 남바지 만들랑 스테이지 봉자마이나 디스트릭 봉자마이나 나시망나 트레이닝 고 남바도 낙다 만겐 나시망 practical 세션은 고 만났다 만겐 만약 비압 남베 야고 아치 야고 만족 사라고 강호 동안 사이트 같은 개그라운드 동안이면 등등 탕탕 낭만이랑 나다 가랑나 만겐 여 방난 고 마시고 제 빌딩 봉자마이나 제 비압 봉자마이나 야 나시망 안탕이 오너십 동안 나겐 나시망 안탕 나 가산났다 나게냐 빌딩 고 남이 작할나그다 롱탈 랑탈에 돈나그다 간판은 고 제레벨 작전났다 야고 나와 CLF니 누구랑 거 먹나그다 남느킹아 아다 시한 승리데 아가 나왔다 편야가 나왔다 야고 빌딩 고 나시망 트레이닝 나서 가이자 안탕탕나 바 CLF랑 나바 수월 낙나그다 작할랑고 마이나 파이사 관청 나가 파이사 고 인컴 제너레이트 가르나가 나 순이 셀터 부르랑 나바 CLF랑 붙어봐 아동탕하 파이사랑 거 나가 뭐 야고 트레이닝 고 겐츠모 나시망 fees ba na sung training bidang tang department ma jakhan ta man gen kwa sung ni da sha kan mang da self help group ma san ba NRL ni awsan mai jwa tang department bi ko jakhan ta agriculture um jamaina tourism um jamaina tang ati district ni line department jakhan ta ba chol lok nang gen bi ko dakken mo na sibang iko nam me manage kana mang gen al training au nani jaman rongthal an da len ko sum sak na da sum dasbin ko aro serabel jeng jabol galani ko takjana da nirok nakda sanjina ta ma mo takda nam nukinga Arian biak nam biak ko mana sumerang mangen semua langsung pulang bagi ni tu bate ya building ko cari kan semua ode nam be ba sengna lo nge jakal to be ba ya venue ba location mungkin menpun sataya ma ya sol ko raimang nasimang sapan ko mo ta kita nam ka nasimang select group ma siala leader ma nasimang je mukswani langsung ko select group na patinga ma parang ko belum na kita ma parang na atang ni jambi tang au sol ko tak na kita atang ni nokdang na antang ni songna nukna society na naknagda yam program ko ya self help group ko anting district ko mobilize ka nga sakanti nukanti o meet ko sakanti ko nino join kanakta DJ ngani man nasma sakanti ya ko masya man putsatay I hope ya training center nasma sakanti na godalri songna san ungjawa anting ni ampati aru bitasin broken ba ko ma ba sakanti na aru songni mati mande sakanti na jakal to ba aru nambe ba full ko ba bibal ko nakta mangba training center ko namin muksuan ay nang muskani ba roti ani ba to sabay sa kanti ko tela thank you
Masih sir lagi nampak ba katar ko ani na lagi di na beben ere sarni ana tan achna anjene khelen so hamara abi ani ma ne beben sir mande